Hi, hello, good morning to all of you, my dear legendary students. This is
Good morning, sir.
Srivastava College. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Okay, nice. Okay, where we're discussing, ma? Shivani, where we're discussing?
Reproduction in protozoa.
So, yes, reproduction in protozoa. So that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. We are going to discussing about main title, that is asexual reproduction. Right. Today we are going to discuss so asexual reproduction. So already given flowchart.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now asexual reproduction.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Sandeep. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction in protozoa. One by one we will discuss. What is the definition of asexual reproduction? Right.
Production of new young ones from the fusion stage.
Salma, your video is not visible. You kept it mobile like this position. Okay, you are kept it like here. Okay. Huh? Okay, now very clear. So asexual reproduction nothing but production of new young ones. Production of new young ones or new offsprings from without fission of parent gametes. So what are from without fusion of parent gametes. Okay, it's called what asexual reproduction. Right now, so this is the definition. Clear? Production of new young ones or new offsprings from the without fusion of parent gametes is called what asexual reproduction definition. Today we are going to, this is important, and one by one we'll discuss already given flowchart, right? So number one, what is number one? Binary fission. What binary fission, not fusion, right? FISSIN. Okay, FUSHION. It's not right. Clear? So that is what happened, binary fission. What is binary fission? We'll discussing about now. So, okay, See, the binary fission means bi means what ma? Bi means 2. Bi means what ma? 2. Okay. Fission means what ma? Splitting. Okay. Right. See what happened ma? See here, binary fission is nothing but production of new individuals, production of new individuals, production of two individuals, okay, by splitting of parent, by splitting of parent. Okay, so that is called what ma? Binary fission. One more definition: formation of two individuals from the splitting of parent, okay, parent organism is called what ma? Binary fission. For example, I will have to give. So this is one parent. This is one parent. So what happened ma? Formation of two individuals or production of two young ones. Production of two young ones. Production of new offsprings. Right? Okay, by splitting of parent. Right? To be form of this is called offspring. This is called offspring. Okay, so that is called what ma? Binary fission. Binary fission. Remembering one. Once again repeat: formation of two individuals or production of two individuals by splitting of parent. By splitting of parent. Okay, now so that is called what ma? So binary fission. Try to understand the definition. Clear? Now, so this binary fission takes place. Remembering one thing. A definition is completed. This binary fission takes place. Okay, so here mainly two processes are. One is karyokinesis. One is karyokinesis. Second one is what happened?
Cytokinesis.
Very good, very good. Excellent answer, Sandeep. What beta?
Cytokinesis.
Cytokinesis. Cytokinesis. Right. Karyokinesis means, karyo means nucleus. Karyo means what ma? Nucleus. Kinesis means again splitting. Division. Simply what we can call it ma? Division. Kinesis means division. Division. So in binary fission, first of all, the parent cell, the parent nucleus can be splitting. Okay na? First of all, what happened ma? Parent nucleus, what happened ma? First division started, splitting started. Okay na? For example, I would like to draw one diagram here. So for example, this is a nucleus. This is a nucleus. And this is the one cell. So what happened ma? The cell which is having nucleus. This is having nucleus, right? So in this nucleus, first what happened ma? Elongation takes place, division started. First, what happened ma? The nucleus can be divided into two. Okay, the parent nucleus can be splitting. Parent nucleus can be divided into two small nucleus, daughter nucleus. Okay, and immediately followed by the cytokinesis. Where the nucleus are divided, where the parent nucleus can be divided, should be divided into two daughter nuclei. Okay, then after this, then followed by the cytokinesis also. Then what happened? The nucleus are divided. Then after what happened? Immediately cytoplasm also follow. To be formed, what happened? Two daughter individuals are formed. Two daughter individuals are there. Two new offsprings are formed. New embryos are formed. Okay, see what's the definition? The definition is satisfied. Formation of two young ones, production of two young ones from the parent cell. By the process, two processes are there. One is karyokinesis, second one is cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is nothing but, first of all, in the cell, in the organism, the nucleus are divided into two. Nucleus are divided into two daughter nuclei. Then after it followed by the cytokine. Then after what happened? Cytoplasm also to be separated. Cytoplasm also to be separated. Then after what happened? New individuals, new offsprings are formed. Okay, now this is important about the mechanism of binary fission. Mechanism of binary fission. So karyokinesis, nucleus are divided into two daughter nuclei, and cytokinesis. So then after the nucleokinesis, okay. See what happened, ma? See, this is an important mechanism of binary fission, right? Once I repeat, binary fission means what happened, ma? Formation of two individuals by the splitting of parent cell. Okay, production of two individuals from the division of parent cell. Okay, so or one more definition: parent cell split into two daughter individuals. Parent cell split into two daughter individuals. Okay, so that is any definition what you understood. So you must be right. మీకు ఎలా అర్థమైతే అలా రాయొచ్చు, ఎన్ని రకాలుగానే చెప్పచ్చు. So right, that is important of binary fission. This binary fission, you know very well, it has what happened, ma? So the binary fission, so how many stages, ma? It has two stages are there. One is karyokinesis, second one is cytokinesis. Just now Sandeep said. So karyokinesis by division of the, first of all, the division started in nucleus. The nucleus can be divided into two daughter nuclei. Okay, then after what happened, cytoplasm also divided. Cytoplasm was separated. Two, that means what happened, ma? Two individuals are formed. Then after split into two cells. Here there is no parent cell. The parent cell split into daughter cell. There is no parent, right? This is called binary fission. Now, got my concept, okay? All of you. If you understood this definition, this mechanism, and type in chat box S. You must be type in S chat box. Fast. Okay, thank you, Gayatri, thank you very much, Mukim, thank you, Maha, thank you, Sandeep, Maha, Shirisha, Santoshi, Fatima. Okay, thank you very much, Aparna, Sirisha, okay, Anita, thank you very much for your responding. Thank you, ma. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you, Shivani. Thank you, Afros. Right. Thank you, Stravani. Thank you very much. Okay, Swapna, thank you very much. Okay, now let us come into the point. Thank you all, my dear Paris students. Thank you very much for your responding. Right. Now let us come into the point. Binary fission can be divided into so many examples are there, right? What is that example? Number one, simple binary fission. Simple binary fission. Okay. Example, what ma? Amoeba. Example, amoeba. We'll explain one by one. Next one, just definition is completed. Just in the examination, just you write title and amoeba also just write. And transverse binary fission. Example,
Paramecium.
Paramecium, right? Paramecium. Right. Next,
Longitudinal binary fission.
Longitudinal binary fission. LD means what?
Example,
Longitudinal.
Euglena.
Yes. Gayatri, thank you very much. Euglena. Okay. Next, right, madam?
Obligatory binary fission.
Obligatory binary fission. What?
Potassium.
Serasium.
Okay, very good. Fantastic response. Sir. Now, this is the binary fission. We'll explain one by one. Simply, binary fission, remembering one thing. So, the binary fission example, amoeba. You should take rough diagram. For example, this is an amoeba, right? This is an amoeba. Okay, now. So, this is nucleus. Okay, and this is the cytoplasm. This is a cytoplasm. So the amoeba is the best example for simple binary fission. Why? Because so here one thing, why the amoeba is a simple binary fission? Simple binary fission means what definition? So formation of production of two individuals. Okay, production of two young ones. Okay, production of two daughter individuals. Okay, by the splitting of parent of any direction. So there is no particular direction. And these directions splitting, and these directions splitting, and these directions splitting. So for any direction, what happened, ma? Two daughter individuals are formed. Two daughter individuals are formed from the parent by any splitting, any direction splitting takes place to form of two individuals. Okay, so that is called simple binary fission. Simple binary fission. The simple binary fission, nothing but the formation of two individuals from the splitting of parent by any direction. That is called what? So simple binary fission. For example, this is amoeba. The amoeba, first of all, what happened? In the amoeba, first of all, what happened? So first nucleus can be splitting. Nucleus splitting takes place. That means karyokinesis takes place. Then what happened? Cytoplasm also separated. Then what happened? See here. Then what happened? Two individuals are formed. Cytoplasm is separated. Two individuals are formed. That is mitosis takes place here. Two individuals are there. Okay, now two individuals are formed. Okay, so anterior amoeba. So remembering one thing, ma. See, this is a two amoebas are formed. Two amoebas are formed from the parent amoeba cell. Two amoebas are formed from the parent amoeba cell. Okay, now first karyokinesis takes place. Then after cytoplasm also separated. First karyokinesis, then after what happened, ma? Cytoplasm also separated. So that is, you must be right. Okay, now. So that is an example of what happened, ma? Amoeba. You need not to write completely. We are already discussed binary fission definition. Okay, now. So just what is simple binary fission? And simple binary fission, the formation of two individuals. Okay, from the parent cell by any direction by the process of karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Okay, now that's it. Example, what happened, ma? Amoeba. Example, amoeba. Remembering one thing. Clear? Amoeba. Next, transverse binary fission. Transverse binary fission, remembering one thing. So let us be discussing here. What is transverse binary fission? Just a definition, you like to give one rough diagram example. Right? Transverse binary fission. In PG level, you should write in detail. But in degree level, there is no need about the in detail, right? So what is transverse binary fission? Transverse binary fission you know very well, right? Formation of two individuals by the splitting of parent. Okay, now this splitting only, the division only takes place in what happened, ma? So transverse position only. Remembering one thing. Clear? So, but very simple direction, any direction should take place. But here the division, the splitting takes place in transverse only. Formation of two individuals from the parent cell. Okay, now parent cell splitting. The splitting is transfer splitting takes place. Transfer splitting takes place. Okay, now that is called what ma transverse binary fission. Once I repeat, formation of two individuals from the okay now parent transverse splitting or parents transverse division. Okay, now so that is called what ma transverse binary. For example, paramecium. See here, paramecium. This is a paramecium, and in the paramecium, see this is a rough diagram of paramecium. Okay, so this is the cytoplasm. Okay, these are the macronucleus, and this one is a micronucleus. Macronucleus and micronucleus. Macro and micronucleus, right? Very important thing. See, micronucleus and macronucleus. So here, what happened? First of all, already told you na. So the division is started. Simply, what happened, ma'am? Here, first of all, here I would like to draw. Okay, this is the paramecium. This is a macronucleus and micronucleus. This is a contract vacuole. This is a macronucleus. This is a micronucleus. This is a cytoplasm, right? Okay, clear. First of all, what happened? First of all, nucleus division started. What happened? Nucleus division started. Macronucleus and micronucleus. Nucleus division started. That means what happened? That means here, what happened? Macronucleus are formed. Here macronucleus are formed. Micronucleus are formed. Macronucleus are formed. Macronucleus split into two. One is anterior side, one is posterior side. So micro also split into two. Okay, one is macro, one micro. So this is called what ma? Karyokinesis takes place. This is called what ma? Karyokinesis takes place. This is called what ma? Karyokinesis. Then after what happened ma? It is followed by what? This cytoplasm na? Cytoplasm also separated. Cytoplasm also separated, right? So here contractile vacuole also there. For the anterior paramecium, which contains anterior contractile vacuole, the anterior daughter paramecium, which contains what happened ma? So cytostome also present, okay, and new posterior contractile vacuole also formed. What happened ma? Say here two individuals are formed. So see this contractile vacuole also, that is parent contractile vacuole, anterior parent contractile vacuole also present. And new macronucleus are formed, new micronucleus are formed. Say parent cytosome is present. Parent cytosome is present. Remembering one thing, this is a fundamental of this transverse binary fission. Remembering one thing, for PG entrance level, for NEET level, whatever it may. See here, what happened in this anterior. Okay now. So this anterior paramecium is called proter. Anterior paramecium is called anterior daughter paramecium is called proter. This proter, which is having parent parts, what? Anterior contractile is present, okay, and cytostome is present, Okay, and cytophagy is present. Each and every parts of the parent paramecium. That is called proter. That is called what ma? Proter. In the proter, posterior contact angle also formed new. Posterior contact angle also formed new. Okay, so that is the important about proter. Whereas, remembering one thing, in posterior paramecium, remember one thing, what happened man? So here, macronucleus are formed new, micronucleus are formed new. Okay now. So here, remembering one thing, this is called opisto. Opisto. That means what ma? Posterior side paramecium, daughter paramecium is called what ma? Opisto. Opisto which contains parent posterior contract vacuole. Opisto which contains what ma? Parent, remembering one thing, parent contract vacuole. This is the contract vacuole. Okay, that's it. And this opisto which is newly designed. Okay, that is called cytostome is formed, and newly designed, newly structured, newly formed cytophagy is formed. Okay, remembering one thing, and anterior contractile angle also formed new. Okay, only remembering one thing, the parent posterior contractile angle is present in the opisto. Remaining all are formed new. All are formed new. So that is very, very important. So this is a total brief, particularly mechanism of transverse mechanism. Once again I repeat. So remembering one thing, remembering one thing. So in transverse binary fission, example paramecium, formation of two individuals. Okay, by the transverse splitting of parent cell. Okay, is called transverse binary fission. How? First of all, nucleus are divided, nucleus are splitting and divided takes place. Then after, okay, what happened ma? The splitting, the cytoplasm is separated by transverse position. Not what happened ma? This is like that, transverse position. But in paramecium, should not splitting like longitudinal. Why? Because the nucleus are exactly middle of the point. Cytophagy and cytostome exactly present in the middle of the point. Okay, and what happened ma? See, contractile anterior side one is there, posterior side one is there. If it is one is contractile is cut, should not form again, but should form newly, right? That's why see that that means paramecium should take place transverse division only. Simply, don't go to any tough points. Okay, now just write easily. Once I repeat, formation of two individuals, a production of two individuals by the transverse splitting of the parent. Okay, now parent cell is called what ma? Transverse binary fission. Example paramecium. Just you should write this rough diagram. You should draw rough diagram. That's it. That's it only. Okay, now first remembering purpose, for knowledge purpose, I am saying that. Okay, first posterior proter and anterior proter, posterior and opisto also there. Right? So this is a very, very important. So in this division, what happened? How many stages are there? Karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Okay, now I think all of you understood this mechanism of transverse binary fission. Please type in S box, chart box. Please type S in chat box. Hello. Okay, Tajim, yes. Okay, thank you, Nandini, thank you, Aparna, thank you, Mahalakshmi, thank you, Swapna, thank you very much. Okay, I think, okay, thank you, Sandeep, thank you, Shivani, thank you very much. But thank you, huge response. Okay, done. Thank you, all of you, thank you, Sahida, thank you, Naini, Sani. Okay, thank you for huge response. Okay, thank you very much. Now, let us come into the point. See, this is completed. Now, longitudinal binary fission. What ma? Longitudinal longitudinal binary fission. Longitudinal binary fission. Okay. So what is longitudinal binary fission? Simple definition. Okay. Example of Rose Euglena. Right. Thank you. So longitudinal binary fission is about formation of two individuals by the what happened ma? Splitting of which splitting longitudinal splitting of parent cell. Which ma? Longitudinal. For example, this is one cell is there. Okay, longitudinal splitting of parent cell is called what ma? Is called what ma? Longitudinal binary fission, right? So once I repeat, formation of two individuals by the longitudinal splitting of parent cell. Okay, so that is called what ma? This is a longitudinal binary fission. Example Euglena. Example Euglena. Okay, now for example, this is a okay, this is a Euglena. Euglena which contains one nucleus and chromatids also there in Euglena. One nucleus is there. Okay, so here what happened? Longitude. See, first of all, karyokinesis takes place. Karyokinesis takes place. Sorry. So here what happened? New karyokinesis. Nucleus can be divided into two pieces, two daughter nuclei. Okay, like that. Not transverse. Nucleus also can split into like that. Okay, longitudinal splitting takes place. Okay, then what happened, ma? So here okay, so what happened when nucleus are separated? Then what happened? It is followed by the cytoplasm. It is followed by the cytoplasm. Right? Here one nucleus, here one flagellized form, here one flagellized form. How many daughter cell form? Come on, tell me, ma. Here, for example, splitting like that. Splitting like that. Here one daughter cell, here one daughter cell. Two daughter cells are formed. Here one pyramid, one Euglena should be formed. Here one Euglena should be formed. See how many Euglenas are formed? From the parent cell. Simply splitting of what happened? Formation of two Euglenas. Formation of two Euglenas by the splitting of what happened? Parent, which is splitting longitudinal splitting. Nucleus also splitting longitudinal. Cytoplasm also separated, splitting longitudinal. Right? So this is important about that. What happened? Simply, if it is know the diagram, just a rough diagram, you should draw the rough diagram. Then you will get good marks. Definition what now? Formation of two individuals by the longitudinal splitting of parent cell is called what now? Longitudinal binary fission. Clear? So this is a very important. Okay now? Clear? So longitudinal binary fission is example Euglena is completed. See, let us come into the point. Last one in binary fission, Serratian. So that is called what ma? Obligatory binary fission. Obligatory binary fission nothing but formation of two individuals by the obligatory splitting process. Simple examples. For example, so this is Okay, this is the serration is there. So here what happened, ma? For example, your nucleus are there. The splitting also obligatory. Splitting also obligatory takes place, and two form of what, ma? Two individuals. Simple. See what happened, ma? Obligatory binary fission required. Formation of two individuals by the splitting of which splitting? Obligatory splitting of the parent cell is called what, ma? So that is obligatory binary fission. Simple definition: formation of two daughter individuals, formation of new young ones, or formation of two serrations, whatever it will be, individuals by the what happened, ma? Which is
Obligatory.
obligatory splitting. Splitting, ma? Obligatory splitting. So that is a process is called obligatory splitting. So this is a binary fission is completed. Sometimes we'll asking short question in asexual reproduction. What is binary fission? To describe. Short question you may ask the examiner to be asking. You must be give the good answer, right? So next time is completed. Next what, ma? Next is what?
Multiple fission.
We'll explain.
Multiple binary fission.
Okay, it's completed. Binary fission completed, na Salma. Next topic.
Multiple binary fission.
Multiple binary fission and plasmatommy. Just 10 minutes class is there. We'll explain tomorrow. Okay, na? Thank you. Thank you very much. This is Krishna, HOD of Zoology, Sri Vasudhara College, signing off.